Hello, my lovely orchid community, gardening community. And if you're new, welcome to Orchids 365. I wanted to hop on here real quick for the last time this year and do a little unboxing of one of my Christmas gifts that arrived today. Have some pottery from Just One More Orchid, Natalia. She's awesome and very well packed. And these are gonna fly away, but that's okay because I'm gonna use them for potting. And here I have her card. Sure, you orchid lovers are familiar with her stuff already. The wind. There goes the wind. Okay. There. I have my small orchid basket. Look at this, guys. How adorable. I have some mini dendrobiums. I think those are the ones that are going in there. Or one of my phals. Did you imagine maybe the Bellina? She'd be pretty in there, and I could hang her or I could just put her on the shelf. Just look at that. Look at that. It's a beautiful clay basket. Look at that. Awesome. All the holes, all the drainage. I love it as usual. So I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm telling you, she packs things really nicely. I don't know if you remember when I put my Vanda in this lovely starfish holder. I don't know if I've showed it to you guys, but I'll show you real quick at the end. But I got this matching starfish pot because I thought it was so pretty. I mean, look at this. I'm a lover of everything ocean. So putting my orchids in a starfish, and the other one that I have, the Vanda, I'll show you real quick. But look at this. I can hang her. I can put her up on the wall and just mount something, which is probably what will happen because you know how I love mounting all my orchids. And she puts layers and layers, and she puts this in between, I'm telling you. And I think I thought I was, let's make sure. Pretty much got my 2 pots out. Oh my, those mosquitoes out here are crazy. Look at that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the camera over there to show you the other one. So guys, I'm gonna add to this video as I was unpacking, because I reuse these, you know, to ship or to pot. So I found this. She sent me a free brownie. Isn't that sweet? And these are my absolute favorites. These little brownies, these little brownie mounts. Have kikis or have orchids. In fact, I'm going to show you the one that I purchased from Harold Palmer's. I'm going to show you what I have on there. Thanks a lot, Natalia. This was really sweet, very thoughtful. Here's the one that I purchased at Palmer's, the other one, the little brownie, and here's the little fowl kiki that's, look at that, acclimated very well. Look at her little root. I love the print on the back, which is why I put her here in the front. So when she grows big, I can still see the beautiful. So yeah, these brownies are amazing. Thank you. I don't remember if I had showed you guys this one, but this was when I went to Palmer's and I got my orchids. She had just made these. This is the starfish Vanda holder. See? And I believe my spike blasted with the cold. But this is amazing. See that? So I got the other starfish to go with it. Thank you guys for watching, and have a lovely, healthy new year full of lovely orchid blooms and plants. And may your family, you, your friends, and your loved ones be happy and healthy. All right, here's the 2021, y'all. I hope to see you back, and to see all your lovely garden blooms. And the best thing about this year for me and my mental health has been this community. This community means the world to me.